In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe for payments in Webflow. If you are setting up an online store in Webflow, connecting a payment provider is one of the most important final steps before you can start accepting orders. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to connect Stripe to your Webflow project so your customers can pay securely and your store can begin processing transactions. To get started, open your project in Webflow. Make sure you are working in the correct project, especially if you manage more than one site, since payment settings are tied to the specific project you have open. Once your project is open, look over to the left side tool panel and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Webflow stores the main configuration options for your site, including e-commerce, features, payment setup, and other store-related settings. Inside Settings, select E-commerce and then click Payment. This section is where you manage the payment providers available for your store. If Stripe hasn't been connected yet, you'll see it listed as an available provider. Under the Available Providers, click Connect Stripe. As soon as you do this, Webflow will redirect you to Stripe's secure connection page. This is completely normal and is part of the authorization process that allows the two platforms to work together safely. When you arrive on Stripe, log into your existing account if you already have one. If you don't, you can sign up for a new Stripe account and complete the setup there. Take your time during this step and make sure you are using the correct Stripe account for the business or store you want connected to Webflow. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize Webflow to connect to your Stripe account. This permission allows Webflow to send payment information through Stripe, so your store can accept customer payments. Review the connection details, then approve the authorization to continue. Once the approval is complete, you will be redirected back to Webflow automatically. At that point, Stripe should be successfully connected to your project. You can then return to your payment settings to confirm that the connection is active. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.